Good afternoon, learners. I wanted to do a quick review with you with regards to the assignment I gave you on Thursday. I know that we had a lot of disruptions in class, and most of the boys would probably not know exactly what to do. So I hope that this video helps you. Basically, you can read through the instructions of the assignment, and I have told you that I wanted it, or that it was due on Monday the 18th. However, I'm giving you an extra day, so please make sure that your assignment is handed in on the 19th of April 2022. Make sure also that you have your name in your on your assignment, and that your grade, whether you grade 5.4 or grade 5.5, that your grade will also be there. Okay, so what you basically have to do is we read through the question, and the question says use the graphic organizer to compare the text of the features of two texts, right? So let's just look at that features of two texts. You have recently studied changing views on Earth and the day the Rolets got their moxie back. Now we've read both these stories, and what is important is that we're going to look at the text features, the features that we find in these texts. Now, the first thing, before we just go over to the text features, I wanted to just quickly go through this word genre. Now, basically, what a genre is that a genre is a type of writing. So we have different types of genres. We have fables, we have folk tales, we have realistic fiction, and we have historical fiction and expository text. So we have various types of genres. Now, what type of genres is changing views of Earth and the day the Rolets got their moxie back? We need to write that in there, and that basically will give you a mark each. Then when we move over to the features now, in order for us to do this text features, we have to know what a feature is. Now, if I go over to the text of our changing views of Earth, you'll find this changing views of Earth in your McGraw-Hill. I've assigned it to you as a unit 5 and 6, your unit 5 and 6 reading companion. So you'd find that this in there, and it's on pages 2 and 3 for the changing views of Earth. And you'll also find in the index page the day the Rolets got their moxie back. But when we're looking at the text features now, if I look at this, for instance, if I look at this story on the changing views of Earth, I see a very big um, title, changing views of Earth, and I see the picture of the Earth. That is a text feature. If I look over here, I'll see that the text features also include things like your titles or your subtitles, on the ground looking around. And that title, that subtitle, basically gives us an idea of what we will be dealing, or what the main idea in that first paragraph is. Other kinds of features are your criteria, the bolded words and highlighted words. You get your pictures, and then you also have your captions that explain to you what the picture's about. You also have illustrations that show to you what the main idea basically was in that first paragraph. So here it says these diagrams show the geocentric Earth center and the heliocentric views of solar system. So those are two different types of ideas that existed back in the times of Galileo, and there's the heliocentric and there's the geocentric models. So those basically are illustrations that help us to understand the reading text better. And those are the type of features that we will find in a text, and that I want to see you highlighting with regards to the various texts. If you look at the day the Moxies got the Rolets got their Moxie back, you will see that there are also certain types of text features used in that story. Identify those text features and write them down. Okay, so it's a very simple assignment, and it's basically just for you to look through the reading text and to find those features for me. Okay, so I hope that this assists you and that you're able to complete this assignment by the 19th of April. Please note that there will be a reduction in marks if the assignment is handed in late. So thank you. And if you have any queries, please feel free to send me a MS Teams chat message or to send me an email in Classera. I thank you. Bye.